A key challenge for the future is feeding the global population in a sustainable manner. An increasing population requires increasing food and nutrient availability. Meat is recognized as a nutrient-dense food, particularly notable for its high-quality protein content, haem iron, B vitamins, and mineral content. But how important is meat currently in nourishing the global population? The Delta model was used to calculate the contribution of meat to the global availability of 29 nutrients. This model utilizes global food production data coupled with data for food waste, nutrient composition, and bioavailability to calculate the total amount of each nutrient available for consumption by the global population. Around 330 million tons of meat were produced globally in 2018, 95% of which was used for food, constituting about 7% of total food mass. Meat's contribution to nutrient availability was disproportionately higher than this, providing 11% of global food energy availability, 29% of dietary fat, and 21% of protein. For the micronutrients, meat provided high proportions of vitamins A, B1 and B2, B5, B6, and B12. Meat also provided high proportions of several trace elements: zinc, selenium, iron, phosphorus, and copper. However, meat was a poor contributor to several other nutrients, including fiber, magnesium, and vitamins C and E, which are largely sourced from plant foods. The importance of meat for supply of bioavailable indispensable amino acids was also investigated. Indispensable amino acids are the building blocks of protein and must be sourced from our diet. Meat was responsible for between 16 and 32% of the global availability of these nutrients, due partly to the high bioavailability of these nutrients in meat. The disproportionate contribution of meat to the global availability of many nutrients emphasizes its important place in delivering nutrition to the current global population. However, we know that meat is not consumed or available equitably. In many diets, there can be an issue of overconsumption of meat beyond nutritional need, and meat's presence in unhealthy, highly processed formats at the expense of other nutritious foods. This carries a health burden that must be remedied alongside nutrient deficiencies. The extent to which meat should feature in our diets is under debate from health, economic, and environmental standpoints. It's important that the nutritional context be included in this debate. Meat's importance will vary depending on the nutritional profile of an individual's diet or that of a specific population. The Delta model demonstrates the current contribution of different food groups to global nutrition and lets us see what changes might be made to feed the world in the future. It provides the human nutrition context to any debate, decision-making, or policy on the future of the food system. Take a look for yourself.